The reason is money is toxic. After 1971, people who work for money are getting poorer because the way your wealth is sucked out of you by the Fed, by the US Treasury, and by our government and our school system is the people that work for money get poorer. The people that save money get poorer. And the people that invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs, they're temporarily rich. But in a flash, they can lose it all because they don't have an education. We have fake money. The Fed prints as much as they want. And we have fake assets, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs. I don't touch that stuff. But the average person should. But I don't save money, and I use debt to get rich. The higher your financial IQ, you don't need money. Right. So if you need money, you're not using your brain or something, Yeah. Because it doesn't take money to make money. And that's one of the biggest lies they tell you. So since 1973, I've not had to, I use debt, I use my own money. I just borrow money to get rich. So many people want to get rich, but they have horrible teachers. And then they work for fake money. The US dollar is fake. They print trillions of it every month or day. And then you buy these fake assets. I don't touch that stuff. All money today is credit. It doesn't exist. Credit is very simply the power to spend. That's all it is. So when you have a credit card, there's no money in that thing. They've just given you the power to spend. And the moment you spend it, you create debt. And then a debt is this contractual agreement that you'll pay it back. Now the trouble is, most people ain't paying it back. Well, sales equals income. Yeah. If you can't sell, you have no income. Someone says, well, I don't have any income because you can't sell. It's that simple. So what I'm going to say to these guys is my poor dad, he was very disappointed in me because I was a pilot. And he wanted me to get my MBA and then fly for the airlines. And I said, then I'm an employee. And then I wanted to become an entrepreneur. So my rich dad says, number one skill of an entrepreneur, you got to sell. If I have real estate, I can borrow as much money as I want. And the more I borrow, the less I pay no taxes.
Right.
So it's not real estate, it's just debt and taxes. Because money became debt or credit in 1971, and the more debt I have, the less tax I pay. Mm. It's the law. And so, people say you can't do that. I say, no, you can't do that, but I can, and that's the difference. So it's not that I love real estate. I just love debt, and I don't want to pay taxes legally. Right. Trump doesn't pay taxes either. That's why he won't show his tax returns, because the American people go nuts. Right. I was flying off of Vietnam, and Nixon took the dollar off the gold standard, so my co-pilot and I decided we'd go look for gold. We didn't know what gold was. Americans had never seen gold. So we flew behind enemy lines, which proves Marines aren't that bright. And we went to a gold mine to buy gold. And this little Vietnamese woman, I don't think she went to Harvard or anything, but she wouldn't discount the gold. So let's say gold was $50 that day. It was 35 a few months earlier. So it was going to 50. And so I said, I'll give you 40. She says, get out of here, And I realized something. She was teaching me. She was one of the best teachers I ever had because she was teaching me about money. The same lessons my rich dad was trying to teach me, that money is fake, gold is real. So anyway, we almost got captured that day. But anyway, we sailed, our carrier then sailed to Hong Kong, and I bought my first piece of gold. And this was 72. And I paid about $50 for it. And today that Krugerrand, the South African Krugerrand, is worth $1,500 or $1,450 today. So did the Krugerrand get bigger or did the dollar go down? Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So ever since that day, I just saved gold and silver. And I call gold and silver God's money and the US dollar fake money or fiat currency. Now there's cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and that's going to cause, I'm not an expert at Bitcoin because I don't have to be because I don't need money, but it's going to cause havoc because it's going to give the Fed a lot of trouble because a lot of people are shifting to crypto right now. So everybody can make crypto. I don't know what the big deal about it is. You know, you can just produce your own now.